Imagine a world where all the ice on Earth begins to melt. Colossal icebergs collapse into the ocean with thunderous force. From the silence of space, the brilliant polar caps slowly fade into deep blue seas. Streams of meltwater carve delicate veins through frozen landscapes. Greenland itself turns into a vast web of turquoise rivers rushing toward the ocean. The question is no longer if, but what happens when the ice disappears completely? Sea levels rise not by inches, but by more than 70 meters. Entire nations vanish as billions are forced to leave their homes behind. Coastlines dissolve, the sea swallowing the edges of continents. The world's great coastal cities stand powerless against the advancing tide. Streets become rivers, cars submerged beneath swirling water. Families wade through the floods, clutching what little they can carry. Stadiums echo with the voices of evacuees turned into refugees overnight. Rooftops become lonely islands in a drowned metropolis. Rescue boats replace taxis, gliding silently between skyscrapers. Schools and hospitals become sanctuaries of survival. Helicopters hover above rooftops, lifting survivors one by one. At night, drowned cities glow only in the sweeping beams of searchlights. Polar bears drift helplessly on shattered ice floes. Penguins huddle together on shrinking patches of snow. Jungles stand half-drowned, their roots buried under dark waters. Elephants march through vast new lakes where savannas once thrived. Floods consume farmland, harvests rotting beneath muddy waves. Birds scatter across the sky in migrations never seen before. Coral reefs collapse, vibrant worlds fading into lifeless stone. Superstorms lash coastlines with a fury no generation has endured. Refugee camps sprawl across muddy hillsides, endless cities of tents. Long lines form for water, families waiting hours for a single jug. Supermarkets stand silent, shelves stripped bare and echoing with emptiness. Crowds surge toward rescue ships, panic etched on every face. Tensions rise as desperate people fight for dwindling supplies. Fear boils over as arguments turn violent in the mud. Exhausted families huddle in makeshift shelters, waiting for an uncertain future. A young man raises his hand from the flood, begging for help. Submerged cities sink into memory, their ruins claimed by the sea. Fish swim cautiously through shattered windows of forgotten towers. The sun sets over endless seas where land once stood. Humanity adapts, building floating settlements upon the waves. From space, Earth appears reborn, its coastlines redrawn forever. And with every sunrise, one truth endures: life always finds a way.